Hello, welcome back to Path to Wellness with Miriam. Today I wanted to begin to talk to you about minimalism. Now, minimalism was something I started being fascinated with a few years ago. Some people that I was subscribed to on YouTube were talking about minimalism, and then I started watching other channels about minimalism. Somewhere along the way, I all of a sudden realized I am a minimalist, which is kind of weird in a way if anyone knew me years ago, because I used to be a pack rat. So I've thought about talking on this channel some about minimalism, and the reason why is because this channel is about my path to wellness and supporting you guys on your journeys to wellness. Minimalism has really given me a lot of mental wellness. It has brought along just a different mindset on things, on stuff, and on what's important in life. So two things really helped me on this journey. Two situations that took a lot of my stuff away that I had no control over. So the first thing was a rat. Ugh. We had years ago a rat in the house, and that was awful. I thought we had mice in the house because there were signs of a rodent. And then one night I heard the rat run, and I knew that is no mouse. That is something way bigger. Long story short, we were able to catch the rat, and he did die. So I'm sorry for people who are mourning that. We disposed of the rat. The aftermath was that I started going through storage. I had a lot of clothes in boxes, and the rat had gotten into them. I remember pulling out my long woolen underwear, and it was just shredded up. This rat had been nesting and destroyed a ton of stuff that we just had to throw away. Mostly clothes, some toys. It chewed through a plastic tub. Rats' teeth are sharp. Anyway, I digress. I had to get rid of stuff, and some of that stuff that I got rid of, I felt really bad about. The woolen underwear. My mother had bought it as a present when we were gonna go someplace cold, but we ended up not needing it because it was like a heat wave in the middle of the winter. And so I never wore it. I felt so bad that this expensive woolen underwear was destroyed, but then the fact that it had never been used and was destroyed. It was just annoying, okay? Fast forward several years, we're living in a totally different place. We just bought a house. We go on a week-long trip. It was October, and it froze, and I had not turned off the sprinkler system yet. I was going to the day we came back. Too late. When we arrived home, the water was gushing everywhere. Our basement was flooded. It had about 18 inches of water in it. That was a huge ordeal. It was crazy. Long story short, so much of our stuff that we had stored in our basement, we had quite a few boxes that we had to dump. We had furniture down there that we had to throw away. We literally had to order a special trash pickup for them to come and take away this waterlogged, moldy furniture. I sorted through a lot of stuff. I tried to salvage certain things. We were able to salvage some clothes by washing them multiple times with vinegar and thieves laundry soap and tea tree oil to get the mildewy smell out. We were able to wash off a lot of like plastic things like toys and things like that, but so much had to be dumped. And it was really weird what made me sad about saying goodbye to and what I didn't care about. And there was this weird sense of relief as well. Like, whew, I don't have to deal with all this stuff again. Like, I don't have to keep on sorting through it and moving it around from place to place. Like, it was quite interesting. Over time, I pared down my wardrobe. I got rid of clothes that I wasn't wearing. I just let go of certain things. Watching videos helped me realize when I saw people who call themselves minimalists sorting through like their bathroom or their this or their that, all of a sudden I realized, wait a moment, I own less clothes than the minimalist. And then Minimal Mom was cleaning out her bathroom and I was like, she has so much stuff in her bathroom. I mean, I don't wear makeup, so obviously I don't have all that stuff, but I was like, I just have a lot less stuff. I've come into the habit of just decluttering things as I go. Like, I use up the last bit of toothpaste. I am frugal, so I cut open the toothpaste tube and there's a little bit left in there and I scoop it out and I use that. But then I throw it away and then I open up a new one. Like, that's just how I've been doing life lately. Like, if my kids wreck a pair of leggings, then like I get rid of those right away. I don't like wait until their drawers are overflowing and then go through them and say, oh look, this is destroyed and this is too small. And like, if something's too small, like I just put it in the outgrown bin and either pass it on or save it for the next kid. I realize I need to start sharing some of the things that I do here on my YouTube channel, things that I do to be frugal, things that I do to just own less and be content with less. I was talking to my mother recently and she said, Miriam, you have always been content with very little. You once, when asked what you wanted for your birthday, you said, I have everything I could need. And that is kind of weird to hear that child me actually said that, because at the same time I really liked my stuff. I really hung on to my stuff. I was a pack rat in a way. I loved receiving gifts even if I didn't use them. But I think I also, in childhood, I remember certain times where I realized that stuff didn't make me happy, and even saving up and taking my time to purchase something, it did not make me happy once I ended up having it. I realize I'm the same way now. Like, stuff doesn't make me happy. I don't really see the point in owning certain things unless if they're useful. I'm not so extreme. Like, I do still have Christmas decorations. I do still have pretty things. I like pretty things. But I realize I don't like a lot on my walls. I don't like a lot of clutter. I like things simplified. I like having extra storage space. I don't like feeling like I'm running out of room. That's just something I just feel like I need to talk about and I need to share. And hey, this is a place to do it. Like, YouTube here is my outlet. And it's a place where I can ramble on about this, because if you don't want to watch it, like, you probably just stopped watching it 2 minutes ago anyway. Like, If you could help me out, I'd love it if you could comment down below and tell me what kinds of things you would like me to talk about in general on my channel, but especially about minimalism and frugal living. Do you want me to target certain rooms in my house? Do you want to see certain categories? Would you like to see a whole house organization? Anyway, if you could just let me know that, I would appreciate it. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like this video, especially if you want to see more videos on minimalism, and be sure to subscribe because they will be coming.